Okay. What year's your car? This your car? Yeah. Okay. Where you headed, man?
To Inman here. I'm coming from Virginia and I'm about here.
Yeah, well, I'm going to be 10:38. Ford pickup.
Well, what in the world? What you doing in Virginia then? How about the car in here? The train won't stop. Yeah, how about that? You do that for me? Yeah. I was sitting on the side bar. I couldn't ever notice when you come by. Come on over here. Car a bit too close to that car that was in front of you when you were in the middle lane there, okay?
Oh,
you were
okay.
only about a car length and a half behind them, man.
Okay. Can I explain? There was two semis, and I'd gotten in the middle and we had plenty of room. And the semi checked over in front of him, the car I was behind, and it kind of bottlenecked us up. But you're right. I understand that I was too close and I should have been back further to begin with. But that did, like, all of a sudden, because he kind of stopped and then I kind of stopped, and it got to where we was going down the middle, too close, all of us, and it changed. But you're right. I mean, I'm responsible. I'm responsible too.
So you headed to the engine, eh?
Yeah. I'm over on Jackson Road in Inman. It's out off of Holly Springs.
Yeah.
And all that.
How long are you gonna be there?
Days. No, I'm from Virginia. Well,
When did your mom move here?
about, what's the, I don't know, like May something.
You moved here in May?
Yeah. Well, I did a little bit of my childhood down in the Duncan area and stuff. We used to live down here. My aunt still lives down here. She lives in Cold Springs.
North 28, Whiskey, India, Delta, Oscar,
Stay right.
Whiskey, Sierra,
We're going to go right back
Oscar,
up here.
November.
Stand right back up here at the corner of my car.
178.
So you going to be here how long?
A few days.
What do you do, man? What kind of work you do?
Actually, I'm studying to be a pastor at seminary.
Are you?
Yeah. I do some delivering pizzas part-time too. It's kind of a part-time gig, but
Where you going to seminary?
down in Atlanta. So I'm gonna be here a few days, and then I'm kind of half moving. I'm gonna go back, all that stuff. But I took a year off. I'm living in Virginia, and I'm starting back down there at the end of the month in Atlanta.
What's the name of the seminary school?
Candler School of Theology. It's at Emory University.
You ever been in any kind of trouble before?
No.
You ever been arrested for anything?
I mean, I've had a couple drunken publics a long time ago.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Marion 112, all units 10-4.
Spartanburg, Kershaw, 401. Need a Virginia DL and NCI.
Kershaw 401, go ahead.
T-Tango 630-25848. Repeat, T-Tango 630-25848, Virginia.
Hello, Chuck DiRico Jr., 1099. Status is suspended on this deal. We're running the 29th, the warrant check now.
What's your license suspended for?
It is suspended?
You said this is your vehicle, right?
Yes.
At what year is it?
An 04 Honda Civic. My license shouldn't be suspended.
Yeah, it is. What it say? Out of 10. Anything in your pockets, man? I didn't
No,
have
no,
you
no.
anything.
401 negative NCS.
But you never been arrested for anything?
I mean, driving, drunk and bumpers.
Calling Connector 1.
You in any drug charges?
No.
Is there anything illegal in your car?
No. Not at all.
Call the serial
Guns
number.
in your car?
No.
Did you open alcohol?
No, I haven't been drinking today. There's,
But you do drink a little bit?
every once in a while, yeah. There's a bottle of whiskey in the back, but it's unopened.
Well, I'm
sealed.
saying, what kind of seminary you going to?
I'm Methodist. I got gifted a bottle of a friend of mine. I drink every once in a while. But
Yeah. Well, look in. Any marijuana in your car?
No.
Any cocaine in your car?
No.
How about any heroin?
No.
Any methamphetamine?
No.
LSD?
No.
Yeah?
No.
How about any large amounts of cash?
No.
Can I say?
You can, and I'm just frankly embarrassed at the mess. There's garbage all over the place, and I'm half moving and stuff, and there's garbage all in the floor. But you can search it.
You responsible for everything?
Yes.
You see anything?
There's nothing.
No large amounts of money?
No. No. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure. There's no large amounts of money.
How about pills? Any prescription pills in your car?
No. Maybe,
Do you take any medication?
I take some muscle relaxers. I'm having a neck thing, but
Have you been to the doctor?
yes, I got that prescribed to me, and
Well, how about
Lexapro.
any Xanax, Adderall, pain medication?
None of that.
Okay,
None of that. There's some Lexapro.
Oh,
Maybe 3 of those or something. In my bag.
you got a lot of luggage.
Yeah, but it's kind of all strewn out and stuff. But yeah, I got luggage and some clothes. And there is in that bag. There is a bottle of whiskey that a friend of mine gave me, and but it's sealed.
Okay. 402, 401. Kershaw 402, 401.
Kershaw 402, got on trash stuff. Good.
Hey, boy, I was going to see how much, you going to be a minute? Okay, that's fine. Someone to 25, just right here at 72 exit South Main.
Kershaw 403 out.
Come on, Kershaw 403.
Spartanburg on.
Darlington, okay.
So how long you going to be in Atlanta?
Oh, I have one more year left, so until May.
I mean, you're going to be, where do you stay with you guys?
Well, actually, I've just rented apartments and rooms and stuff off of Craigslist for the most part. But, no, I don't have one set up for the end of this month. But I've had good luck. It's a 3-year program, And I did 2, and then I took a year off and moved back to Virginia. And
You supposed to be drinking alcohol as a Methodist? They about like Baptist, ain't they?
no, we're
That kind of taboo, ain't it?
we're pretty laid back, but I shouldn't be.
I'm not good.
Yeah, I drink a beer every once in
Methodist
a
and
while.
Baptist about on the same line, and now you know you get caught doing that. That's kind of taboo to some of the people, ain't it?
Yeah. And but those drunken publics were a while back. Yeah, I mean, I don't drink like that anymore. And then, you know, and I ain't a minister yet, and it'll probably be another year before I am. Yeah, I'm gonna pretty much just give it up. That was just a friend. We went on you know. And I don't even like the stuff. It's George Decker. I used to drink that stuff, but I can't handle that stuff anymore. I just drink a couple beers every once in a while. I'm a Virginia Tech fan, so yeah. But we go to the games, you know, tailgate. I'll drink a couple beers. We're playing down here at Clemson this year in October. Yeah, we'll try to come down and see Mom. Well, actually, I'll be in Atlanta, so I'll drive up to meet up with my mom. I don't know why that thing's spared. No, I'm worried about that driver's license.
I don't necessarily need it unless somebody's close.
Brad, are you past the 77? I think the class.
Yeah, I'm down here at the right at 72.
Up in another county, like Spartanburg County, Virginia.
Well, I'm waiting on somebody before I put the car. That's
Okay.
all right.
Yeah. I mean,
And I'll try and do it quick. I don't know about
I'm wondering what's going to happen with my license. Okay. I had a seatbelt and a speedometer violation about. I paid them the last day, and it was a county about an hour away in Virginia. And I paid them online the last day, and that's the only thing I could think is they're saying I didn't get the money into them that day, but it said clearly I had the day of the court date, or I missed the court date. It said you have this many days to pay it off. And the last day I went online and paid it. So I'm thinking they sent it into the DMV up there or something. Yeah, feel free to look at the cards. It's a mess. I'm just embarrassed. Man, I said I got a lot of junk I'm moving in. I got my TV, a bunch of my clothes.
Press on 400, 4.
I realized I was behind that car. Like I said, the semis were doing this. There was one going real slow. He cut that guy off.
Yeah, I didn't see all that.
And that car checked up like all of a sudden. And I was stuck in the middle and the car was going around me, so I couldn't pass all them. And then I ended up like right on his rear end. And I felt like he was right on the rear end of the semi. But yeah, I mean, I should have totally. I could have done it better.
You own about a car length and a half.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
Yeah, that's pretty dangerous. It can be a little dangerous. Somebody check up in front of you. It don't take much.
Yeah, they had just. Yeah, like I said, they had just checked up in front of me, and that's what got me right up on.
Yeah.
I wasn't riding one of those. Wasn't one of those I'm ticked off at you riding them. I didn't mean to.
I'm probably have one of these guys watch you, stand with you. Go help me. That way we can do this quick.
All right.
Nothing in there you want me to know about though before I get started?
No drugs, no gun, no watch, cash. If you find that, let me know. I wouldn't mind if you found a couple $100. I could use it. But no.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing, man?
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, I help you.
Hey, what? Hurry up, jump on it. Let's get out of here. Yeah, he's coming out of Virginia. He said he's going. His mom's in Inman, but then he's going to Atlanta for sin. He said he's going. He threw up. He's going to seminary school as I was down talking to him. Listening to him. And then he started talking about he'd been arrested for that's fine. You can change. But then he's got alcohol in his car. He's pretty cool for a while. And he's messing with me. I said, well, that's pretty fucking bad. That's kind of taboo, ain't it? I'm not sure about when I asked him about cash, he looked back at the car. He looked down. And then he was like, well, it's a mess. I'm going to tell you that. It's a mess. That's great, man. Couple flexor reel in the darn.
Yeah, it's a mess.
Yeah.
You got to open your thing in here?
Not that I know of.
You got a trunk button over there? Did it go open?
Yeah, I mean, it's dirty. It reminds me of the Scotland on the 5 one time. They got about 25 pounds of house. He looks just like him. Oh, no.
I told him I got gifted, Dad. I don't even like that stuff that much. I used to drink when I was younger. I can't. I'm a couple beers.
Charles?
Yeah. Buddy of mine came in too.
It is kind of junky.
I'll probably end up drinking it.
You could think about it. When he started throwing up, oh, look,
Alright, so some of that salad to a man trans out of Mountain, New York, semi-first or something.
God, I'm embarrassed.
it is a mess. Full beers and full bottles of and he ended up going to seminary and then he still drinks alcohol. I thought that was odd. Mini bottle? Good Lord.
Come on, South 400, and some of that is 400 Albany Road out of North Charleston, South Carolina. Oh, there is 297.
where you mount the little
Yeah,
bracket
that's
that
right.
goes on the stand.
Spartanburg at 469.
I don't think there's nothing there now that I'm looking at it. It's just a couple things he told me it just didn't add up. It's like he was trying to throw me off or something. Trying to determine something.
It's a rod sticking out about that far. Where the hood with it broke off.
I'm from Blacksburg.
It's just a few things he said. It's like he's trying to throw me off.
You got a lot of alcohol on it. You got beer
Yeah, but they got that loop cuts off some of the time. That 485, it cuts off a good 15 minutes.
Just a warning, man. You have a good day.
All right, bye-bye.
Create some more space there.
I never seen that.
I was sitting like this. I was sitting like this on the shoulder after I cleared my last. No, I was watching another car. He pulled over and sat, and he come by far on the close. I'm gonna start evening. I ain't going back down there right now. What time is it? Ease right here, and maybe stop one more. And
Back girl, I stopped this morning was good.
yeah.
That's the only thing. She had her back windows rolled down. I was in the left-hand lane when she passed us. She turned her right turn signal on the next switch lane and turned it back on. I thought that was weird. I try to stay away from sock contact, but you never know.
Don't